Right, new week, new mindset, new code. So stepping backwards a bit from last week, I need to do something different than what I've been doing before, because potentially the worst thing in an endless runner is not being able to move. So this week I think the biggest focus is going to be me actually sorting this problem, hopefully, once and for all. Okay, if the player can't get to the platforms, why don't we make the platforms go to the player? Right, okay, now we're talking. So all I need to do is get the player to stand still and then just add like a blocking volume, for example, which Unreal Engine has. And yeah, so now we have a way for the player not to move, but looks like that they're actually moving, just to give off the illusion of movement. Now though, all we need is actually a platform for the player to run on, because otherwise they're just going to run on thin air and it's going to look like they're just some sort of miracle maker. So what I've done is I've made a base actor, or just a parent actor, with projectile movement, which moves backwards towards the player. And with that, I've just got that to create a child actor called platform, which both attach onto this parent actor, now creating a proper illusion that the player is running endlessly without the player actually moving. So altogether, I have a parent actor, which is the thing that actually moves all the platforms along, and a child actor, which effectively just attaches onto the parent actor and will carry on attaching onto the parent actor until the end of time. With all this, hopefully, that should mean infinite platforms, because as well as this, the background doesn't actually change as well, so I don't have to worry about stretching out a background to infinity, which is also a plus for performance. With these basics in place though, I think it's time to actually add some sort of danger to the player, otherwise the game will just be this, just running, no actual hazards, until the player eventually gets bored, gives up, quits. So what I've done is I've just duplicated the platform blueprint, but added on a switch on int node, so that the game randomly chooses when to place a platform gap. Although saying that, this could have easily been done by a branch and a random boolean, but hindsight is always 2020. All the blueprint code is effectively duplicated from the original platform blueprint, but just tweaked with a gap. And it actually works, which is very, very surprising. But now with these brand new basics in place, now we can actually start thinking about what else to add, or maybe even some art assets.